Today I will demo a little trick to put a Java breakpoint in a Camel Route, so to put it at execution. Because if I putting the breakpoint here with a Java debugger, it will stop when the rule definition is read, but not at the root execution. So it will be a root definition breakpoint and not a root execution. And we are executing interested in the execution time. So for that, I can insert a processor. Um, so it's a bit adding quite a lot of code just for during the development, but well, that's it. And so I can just have a, a dummy statement, then I can put a breakpoint. And now if I start this route, so for instance, I can start it as a standalone as the standalone route. So it will be, I will have access to the variable here. I can click on this little icon to see more of the content, what is inside it. And so, yeah, this is a little trick to provide a processor with a println statement to have access to the whole context, to the whole Java execution context.